This video is to help you memorize the numbers 1 through 10 quickly so you can learn how to say all the dates from 1 to 10 and also the months. So let's get started. The top are the top three numbers of 1, 2, and 3. 1 line, 2 lines, 3 lines. Pretty obviously, 1, 2, and 3. You can add the kanji for the sun after this so that you can get the numbers tsuitachi, futsuka, and mikka. But you can also add the moon to get the months ichigatsu, nigatsu, sangatsu, January, February, and March. Those are the numbers 1, 2, and 3. Next up, we have the numbers for 4, 5, and 6. 4 is pretty easy in that you have a box with 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. That square gives us the number 4. 5 is kind of like a digitized 5 from an old-fashioned clock. And 6 is a pile of sticks. This is more of a sound mnemonic. 6 rhymes with sticks, so try to force yourself to see a pile of sticks. 6 is a pile of sticks. These can also be used for, of course, dates and months. With the sun kanji, we get yokka, itsuka, and muika for the 4th, 5th, and 6th. But for the moon kanji, we get the months shigatsu, gogatsu, rokugatsu for April, May, and June. Number 7, 8, and 9. 7's pretty easy because it looks like an upside down 7. Just flip it upside down, you have a 7. 8 looks like a pair of Japanese chopsticks. And chopsticks in Japanese are hashi, and that is very close to the number hachi. So hachi, the number 8, is a pair of hashi. Hachi is a pair of hashi. 9 looks like a lowercase n, which is used to spell the number 9. N for 9. When you add the date or sun kanji after these, you get nanoka, yoka, kokonoka for 7th, 8th, and 9th. But we can also add the moon kanji for shichigatsu, hachigatsu, kugatsu, July, August, and September. Our last number at the bottom here is the number 10. You see clearly a 10, or a T, which spells out 10, just like the N spelled out 9. So those are pretty easy to remember at the end. N for 9, T for 10. With the date kanji, or the sun, we will get that specialized reading, toka. But we can also, of course, get the month of October by adding the moon kanji, jugatsu. But we can also get ju-ichigatsu for November or ju-nigatsu for December. So one more time, quick memory. Lines 1, 2, and 3 give us the numbers 1, 2, and 3. 4 is the square, 4 sides. 5 is the digital 5. 6 is the pile of sticks. 7 is the upside down 7. Hachi is a pair of hashi. N for 9. And T for 10. And that's it.